Was that noise? So I woke up and thought this was a dream. Totally forgot that we ripped up the floor yesterday. Yeah, not a dream. So it's currently 5:30 in the morning. It's just getting light, which is nice. The plan for today is to paint, well, to basically try and take out the cabinets that we're not using here, paint the remaining ones. We need to sand them down, prep them for painting, and take all the handles off. So that escalated quickly, didn't it? So we're going to now take away this part of the worktop because we're going to be putting an American style fridge freezer on that part of the wall. But we've managed to get that cabinet off, and then we're going to saw this worktop in half.
That look like it's deep enough.
Don't need to hold it and you check.
Yeah, let's be careful.
I'm not sure where I've left you. I've done quite a lot. I've done a fair bit, so just got back in from B&Q because, as always, I'm so disorganised. I never know what I might need. We filled in the holes from on the wall from ripping the tiles out. We weren't going to rip the tiles out, but I think even though the fridge is going to be there, I just wanted, while we were already sanding and filling, I just thought, you know what, let's just get rid of what we needed to get rid of, and kind of like have a blank canvas. So I managed to get some polyfiller from B&Q, and that's filled it quite nicely. I need to do one more coat, but yeah, we've done quite a fair bit, and we just need to get on with tying up the prep work, ready for painting. This is where the tiles was. So I've managed to get a nice straight edge along here. I did end up cracking a little bit through here, so we're going to get some filler, fill that up, sand it, and repaint these tiles. And then we've just popped this polyfiller in. This is what I got from B&Q. It's polyfiller, and it fills holes up to 50 millimeters, and those holes were about that. So it's gonna need one more go, and then we're gonna sand that down. So wait for that to dry, fill that back in, and then we can sand this wall and then get that ready for paintwork as well. But these cabinets, I'm gonna start filling in these holes. I'm gonna keep these holes here because I do want small kind of little button knobs to go there, but I don't need these holes here. But everywhere else, I'm gonna fill all the rest of the holes for the hardware, because I'm not sure what hardware I want on. But it's coming together. We need to remove the extractor fan because we've got a new one. We've cut this to size. What is this called? Can't think what this is called now. Gone brain fog. But take that down. We've filled in some holes over here. We've removed a shelf from there. So yeah, it's just a case of filling all the holes that we've created, sanding down, washing everything down, get rid of the dust, and then we can start painting. We did think about removing this cabinet, but we're going to keep it because we were going to put the washing machine there for a short period of time before we do a temporary utility space. However, I just think removing that cupboard and then putting the washing machine in there and then moving the washing machine, we would then be left with a hole. So we're going to leave this cabinet here.